I am primary 5A, Horace Hole number 11. I've invented this voice-commanded controlled fan. It consists of a microbit, a motor board, a battery, a motor, and a fan blade, all nicely attached to recycled materials such as this plastic bottle, 2 cardboard boxes, and this piece of cardboard. Now I'm going to show you a demo. So I turn on this battery, and it forms a closed circuit with the microbit. That's why you can see this light. And when I say on, the electricity even flows to the motor, creating a fan. Ooh, how cool. And when I say off, the electricity stops flowing to the motor, stopping the fan. Lastly, this is the code I created to turn on and off the motor depending on the sound. If this project was really fun, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Bye!